Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to create a survey on Jotform. So, surveys help collect feedback efficiently. So, first, you will log into your Jotform account, of course, and once you're here, you will go ahead and click this orange button right here, which is create, and just go ahead and click um, form or survey form. So, it depends on what you have. So, you can either use a template or you can start from scratch. So for example, we can also choose a template. Just go ahead and search for survey form. So just wait for it to load again, and now you can actually choose from these forms, or yeah, you can start from scratch as well. So after you've chosen your form template, you can just go ahead and add questions to it. You will add your multiple choice, your drop down, your text field, and all that stuffs. And you can also use conditional logic to show and hide questions based on answers. So yeah, you can customize basically the theme, the colors, and the font, and all that stuffs. So yeah, you will just have to save it, and then of course, um, make sure to share the link or embed on the website. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have a good day.